more, baby. Good more, baby. Say hi, baby. Look at that. Poochie, you have bad breath. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I received my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It just came. I feel like all my boxes are coming late though this month, but we got it. It's here. So before we dive into it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so this way you can see all my videos and be part of my family here on YouTube. We're just going to dive into this box really quick. I'm having problems with my camera. It only like lets me record like 6-7 minutes, so I'm going to have to do this like speed so this way I can do this video. Okay, so here's the box. It comes with their little pamphlet. It says discover yourself. First thing I'm pulling out is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the sweater weather eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $29. Looks like it's a knitted sweater right there. Normally I would want to swatch this, but because I have so many shades of this color, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I may just toss it into a giveaway. I'm going to have to think about it. Okay, the next product that I'm pulling out, which is perfect because my daughter's actually been asking me for something like this. This is the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer Board Spectrum SPF 30. She's been wanting some type of moisturizer with SPF 30, so now I don't have to buy her one because we have it here. So this is good. This retails for $65. Next here we have the Soul Violet lipstick. This retails for $16. Soul Violet. I don't think I've... Oh, Touch and Soul. It's from Touch and Soul. Soul Violet lipstick. I was saying, I never heard of that product or brand. I have a lot of things from Touch and Soul. I really like the packaging, the way it feels. Kind of feels like, I don't know, like a eraser, but it's not as flexible. You would think it would bend, but I don't know. I like it. For some reason, I just do. Okay, so here it is. I really like that shade. Yep, I like it so much. I'm going to put it on right now. Feels very creamy. Okay, I like that. And that's $16. That's pretty good. I don't know if this is IL or ill. I'm going to go ahead and let you read that. This is the ink liner in black, and this retails for $21. So this is an ink liner, which I love receiving liners. Ooh, that's a good point. Let me see. Oh yeah, I think I like this one. Okay, my favorite liner is the Hank and Henry liner, felt liner. So that's the liner compared to. If this is anything close, I will be happy. Then we have these Sweet Chef fresh pressed sheet mask. This is kale in vitamin B. Then we have ginger, vitamin C, and then beets in vitamin A. Okay, so those three retail. 3 is for $10.50, so that's not bad. And then of course we get our little bag, and I think this is such a cute bag. Look at that right there. It is a cute bag, but for some reason when I got it, I was like, this is kind of looks like a bag that you would get with the standard Ipsy. So nothing biggie, but it is cute. It is cute. Okay, so I added it all up. It came out to $141.50. So that's pretty good because I spent $25 for the bag. Or the box. I keep going back and forth on if I want to continue with Ipsy. I don't know. In reality, it was a pretty good bag. I have like a love-hate relationship with Ipsy. It's like a bad love affair. We will see. We will definitely see. Okay guys, so let me know your thoughts. Are we box twins? What items did you get that are different than mine? What are your favorites? Should I give Ipsy the boot? Alright guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.